The Mahayuti alliance, comprising of the BJP, the Shiv Sena and the NCP, is poised to secure a landslide victory in Maharashtra, leading in over 200 seats out of the 288 that went to the polls. This is the alliance's best performance ever in the state.
The BJP-led Mahayuti alliance registered a landslide victory in the assembly polls in Maharashtra. The ruling alliance secured a comfortable majority in the state's 288-seat assembly. This victory marked BJP's best ever performance in the state.
महाराष्ट्र की जनता ने जो अप्रत्याशित इस प्रकार की जीत हमको दी है, इससे ये बात पूरी तरीके से स्थापित होती है कि महाराष्ट्र ये प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के पीछे है और मोदी जी ने जो नारा दिया था, एक है तो सेफ है, इस नारे को यथार्थ में लाते हुए महाराष्ट्र के सभी समाज के सभी लोगों ने एकता दिखाते हुए महाराष्ट्र में मतदान किया है और इसके कारण ये इतनी अच्छी जीत हमको मिली है। मैं विशेष रूप से हमारे बहनों का, लाडले भाइयों का, लाडले किसानों का, सभी का बहुत आभार व्यक्त करना चाहता हूं।
Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde expressed heartfelt gratitude to the voters for a decisive victory.
आज मैं महाराष्ट्र के तमाम मतदाताओं को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं, उनका अभिनंदन करता हूं, क्योंकि ये विक्ट्री जो है ये लैंडस्लाइड विक्ट्री है। ये मैंने कहा था कि महायुति को थम्पिंग मेजोरिटी मिलेगी और इसीलिए मैं तमाम मतदाता जो है, मेरी लाडली बहनाओं को मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं, लाडले किसानों को मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं और लाडले हमारे भाई है, लाडले सीनियर सिटीजन है, सभी वर्ग जो है, सभी वर्ग को मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं।
A number of constituencies saw close contest among candidates. Baramati constituency saw a clash between Ajit Pawar and his grandnephew Yugendra Pawar, while Vandre East featured Zishan Siddiqui against Barun Sardesai. Among other key battles, Worli constituency saw a close contest between Milind Deora of Eknath Shinde-led Shiv Sena and Aditya Thackeray of Shiv Sena led by Uddhav Thackeray and Sandeep Deshpande of MNS. However, at the end, Aditya Thackeray defeated Milind Deora. On the other hand, the opposition alliance Vikas Aghadi, which included Congress, Shiv Sena led by Uddhav Thackeray and NCP led by Sharad Pawar, ended a distant second.
जो नतीजे आए हैं ये बिल्कुल इसके विपरीत हैं, पर इसका माने ये नहीं है कि हम हमारे एजेंडे से पीछे हटेंगे।
The Maharashtra Assembly has 288 seats and the majority mark is 145. Voting for this election took place in a single phase on Wednesday. Bureau Report, DD India.
And Prime Minister Narendra Modi greeted party workers and leaders at the BJP headquarters in New Delhi after the victory in Maharashtra. Addressing party workers, Prime Minister Modi called it the victory of good governance and development-based politics. The Prime Minister said this is the biggest victory for any pre-poll alliance in the last 50 years. Prime Minister said that this is the stamp of BJP's good governance model. The Prime Minister also said that this mandate will prove to be a milestone for India's Viksit Bharat dream. The Prime Minister also lashed out at the opposition for playing negative politics.
आज महाराष्ट्र में विकासवाद की जीत हुई है। महाराष्ट्र में सुशासन की जीत हुई है। महाराष्ट्र में सच्चे सामाजिक न्याय की विजय हुई है। और साथियों, आज महाराष्ट्र में झूठ, छल, फरेब बुरी तरह हारा है। विभाजनकारी ताकतें हारी है। आज नेगेटिव पॉलिटिक्स की पराजय हुई है। आज परिवारवाद की हार हुई है।
And my colleague Shishir Shalar joins us for more on the story from Mumbai. Shishir, first give us a sense of what is the scene at the headquarters of the party, of the alliance parties who have won. Yeah, they must be celebrating as results are coming in.
Well, absolutely, Amritpal. Looking at this victory here, it seems that the BJP and its allied partner in Mahayuti will not get a sleep today due to celebration here, which is happening across Maharashtra, starting from the party headquarters also to the various places where the Mahayuti candidates have won this battle. On the other hand, we also see a sleepless night for the opposition as well, because looking at the number they have confined to, it's quite a worrisome factor for even the Mahavikas Aghadi. Well, in fact, looking at this particular victory for the BJP, it's quite unprecedented because they have created records compared to last few the parliamentary elections as well as the assembly election. Because in 2014 we have seen the BJP has got nearly 122 seats, whereas in 2019 we've seen that BJP won 105 seats. But this time around the BJP has achieved 135 seats, and that's the reason it's quite a big record in the BJP. And BJP probably must have got these kind of number for the first time in Maharashtra, and that's the reason I've said that the Mahayuti and the BJP has created record in Maharashtra here. Apart from that, if you look at the tally of the Mahayuti, which has reached to almost 235 and 34, which is also giving them quite a definite number to form the government here. Now, of course, as far as the Congress, the Mahavikas Aghadi and the Congress allies in concern, it is actually one of the worst performance of the Congress in Maharashtra, and probably we have seen some of the Congress leaders have actually said that they will definitely think about it, what went wrong. Whereas Uddhav Thackeray have actually raised some doubt about this victory of the BJP and Mahayuti and said that what exactly went wrong and why the voters have given such a kind of mandate is absolutely is not understanding what went wrong exactly. And that's what the BJP is saying at this point in time, that whatever the fake narrative set by the Mahavikas Aghadi, the opposition, they have washed away all that, and that's the reason they've got this thumping victory. One of the important issues in this particular election is, of course, the development agenda of the BJP versus the fake narrative of the Congress. That's what the BJP is saying. Well, in the Lok Sabha election, we have seen here that the important issue was, of course, the Samvidhan Bachao Andolan, which is created by Mahavikas Aghadi and the India Alliance. But this time around, the slogan which is given by the Prime Minister, that is Ek Rahoge to Safe Rahoge slogan, has created for everywhere in Maharashtra, and probably that is what the Mahayuti probably have got these inching numbers here. Okay. Apart from that, the second important aspect is, of course, we are looking for the caste factor. But it seems that the caste factor has also did not work here. But let me tell you that one of the most important factor behind this win is, of course, the women power. Particularly in this election, the kind of schemes announced by the government in last few months has turned the table in favor of the Mahayuti, and that's the reason. If you look at the percentage, the voting percentage compared to the last time, this time Maharashtra has witnessed almost 4% or to 5% increase in percentage. Okay. And what we got to know from the Election Commission is that the maximum voters was the women voters, and probably it seems that these women voters have turned the fate of Mahavikas Aghadi in Maharashtra.
All right. Okay, the big question that everybody, Shishir, is asking at this point is, now that it's clear that the alliance, the Mahayuti alliance is forming the government, who will be the chief minister? They went to the polls under Eknath Shinde, but the BJP is the biggest, single largest party in the alliance, overall in the state, and within the alliance, the biggest partner. So will it go to the BJP? If it goes to the BJP, will Devendra Fadnavis be the chief minister? What are you hearing on that account?
Well, there are many theories about it, that who will become the chief minister here. One theory that we've got to know, and probably most of the BJP people, also the leaders and the Karyakartas, the party workers, are talking in Mahayuti across the party line, that is the BJP, Shiv Sena and Ajit Pawar's NCPs. They're saying that probably the current cabinet structure that they're looking, the working since last 2.5 years, that is one chief minister and two deputy chief minister, looks quite promising here. Even the BJP workers are saying the same thing, and Shiv Sena and the NCP workers are saying the same thing. But obviously the million-dollar question is that who will be the chief minister and who will be the deputy chief minister. But that is not clear yet. But looking at the number tally of the Mahayuti, the BJP has emerged as the single largest party, and probably by nature they will claim for the chief ministerial post here. And it depends on the Mahayuti now that how they can distribute the deputy chief minister portfolio here. Because earlier we have seen here that Devendra Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar holding the deputy chief minister post in Maharashtra, and Eknath Shinde was the chief minister. This time around, will the table change and BJP will take the chief minister candidate with them? And deputy chief minister will be like one from the NCP and one from the Shiv Sena. Is an important question that everyone is asking. The second important aspect is, of course, the distribution of cabinet portfolios. That is also equally important here. Last time we have seen here that the Ajit Pawar has got the finance department, the finance ministry, whereas Devendra Fadnavis has retained the home ministry here when chief minister was Eknath Shinde here. Will that contribution or probably that kind of structure will again continue? That is also still unanswered. But what we've got to know is that then Devendra Fadnavis has also said that there is no friction as far as the chief ministerial candidate is concerned. All the parties and leaders of the parties will sit together and probably decide that who will become the chief minister and how the portfolio will allocate. And obviously, that's the same kind of the smooth activity we have seen during the ticket distribution also among the Mahayuti.
Yeah.
Although there were actually some of the issues, but those issues were actually dealt with the senior leaders of the party. And now when it comes to forming the government, well, obviously it seems that the three leaders must will sit together and probably discuss about it, and in next couple of days we'll get to know exact formula.
Okay. So there is a template in place. We'll have to see who will fit in those boxes. Will it be a reversal of last time around? Shishir, many thanks for joining us for the moment and giving us